The campaigning ends today evening for the Karnataka Assembly election. The campaigning for the election to the Shillong seat, which was adjourned due to the demise of United Democratic Party candidate HDR Lingdo, will end at 4 p.m. on Monday. Normalcy is returning to Manipur gradually as no violence has been reported in the last 24 hours. The state government has decided to relax public curfew in most of the district for some hours. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a warning predicting that a cyclonic circulation will transform into a depression in the southeast Bay of Bengal by today. In IPL, Sunrisers Hyderabad beat Rajasthan Royals by 4 wickets at the Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur last night.